What's the meaning of cryogenic? Cryogenic. Cryogenic.
Cryogenic. Cryogenic. The term cryogenic refers to the production or behavior of materials at very low temperatures, usually below -150 degrees Celsius. Cryogenic processes are used in various fields, such as medicine, physics, and engineering. The result of cryogenic treatment can be improved material properties, such as increased strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. This is because the extremely low temperatures cause certain structural changes in the materials that enhance their physical properties. Additionally, cryogenic storage is commonly used for biological and medical samples to preserve them for extended periods.